Today, you will know how you can unblock a person from your Roblox app. So let's jump straight to the video.
Okay, so here we are on the Roblox app on our iPad, and we are going to tap on the hexagon at the top, and it will give you this screen. Here we are going to tap on settings on the right in the middle, and then we are going to go to privacy. Here, when we tap on privacy, we are going to scroll all the way down until you see the option blocked users. Okay, here you can see that there are 3 people blocked, and you can tap on the show button right here. Once that you tap on show, it will display all the people that you have blocked. Now you will be clicking on the unblock button for the person that you want to unblock. Of course, it says save successfully, so you have unblocked this person already. You need to add this person again as your friend, and how you will be doing this, search it by his name. Here you can just filter by people, and then just tap on the plus button, and it will appear as a pending request, and wait until he has accepted your friendship, and then you are friends again.
I hope this video was helpful for you, and if it was, please don't forget to click on the like button and on that subscribe button down below. Thank you so much for watching, and see you the next time. Bye bye.